Cody Armato will set the pace for these Bandits. And they're going to pick up speed. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And it's Armato. Triggs. Sadler. It's Pearson to work on Sadler. Triggs going to try to get up to the lead, and he might have him. Let's see what happens coming out of 4. He's got a good run, he does. Triggs is going to try to pull away from Armato. Pearson may go with them. Randall Sadler decides the inside's not going to work, starts to look to the outside, now goes back to the inside. Oh, he gets into the back of Cody Armato. Cody Armato, ow, the hit. That wasn't very nice. So it looked like the 28 car just did a rookie move. That would be Randall Sadler. His first night out here was 2 weeks ago, and I forgot his first name, and I called him Elliott Sadler, and I think that was the name of a NASCAR driver. Yeah, Elliott Sadler. John Triggs is going to bring him around. All right. Here they come! Green flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be Triggs up to the front. Here comes the 28X of Randall Sadler back on the track. I guess they had to just have a little chat with him, as I said. But we got a battle for second. Eric Pearson trying to hard on the inside to get around Bart Brockman. Didn't work that time. Once again, this is an 8-lap heat race. We got 3 in, 5 to go. Triggs going to try to hold off the fast qualifier, Bart Brockman. We'll see what he can do. As we are single file racing right now, Bart Brockman starting to close the gap on John Triggs. But here comes Eric Pearson to put some pressure on Bart Brockman. Was on the inside, decided to get back to the outside. Pearson going to the inside again. Actually, they're going to bring out the white. Here we go. White flag out. 1 to go for John Triggs. But we got a battle for second place. Eric Pearson challenging Bart Brockman for second. Let's find out what's going to happen. It could be John Triggs, your winner. It's going to be John. Who's going to get second? Looks like it's going to be Bart Brockman. Third, Eric Pearson. Fourth to Randall Sadler. All right. So here comes our winner. Drivers all the way out of Rockton, Illinois. Sponsored by Northwoods Auto and Truck Sales. Advantage Auto Glass, T&G Draft Services. This is the number 2 car once he gets out. There he is, getting out, put the hat on. Make some noise, Rockford Speedway, it's John Triggs.